So it's a Thursday afternoon, and I'm starting to mentally prepare for the weekend, which means the usual. Eat, sleep, game, repeat. Until, out of the blue, my friend Mark sends me a text asking if I want to go camping the next day. At first, I was uncertain because I'd never really gone camping, not to mention with less than 24 hours notice. I also had no backpack, no gear, nor any clue of what to expect, and so my cozy weekend plan started to sound more and more pleasant. But sometimes embracing the uncomfortable and facing life's challenges help you grow and reach new heights. Life would truly never be tolerable if the future was certain. So rather than sitting around thinking about all the what ifs and excuses I could come up with, I replied, I'm in. And man, were we in for an adventure.
Did it. Well, I rolled my ankle. But gotta keep going. Keep going. You okay, Mark?
Is that you?
Oh, I guess that was someone else.
Okay, Michael, now it's your turn. Here.
It's not bad. Marco! Marco! Oh.
Hi. Take your time, you're good.
Yeah, I thought you were my, 13 miles exactly. And our bikes are still there. Nice.
This is 10. Food bag.